Darkhan-Uul province occupies 327.5 thousand km square of land on the northeast valley of Harariur, among the Hindi chain mountains on the northern part of Mongolia. From the total territory of the province, 231.7 thousand km square hectare or 70.7% is the agricultural land. Although the province territory is small, there are plenty of natural wealth and resource of gold, limestone, coal and various other raw materials of construction. The province is located on relatively low land at 707 meters above sea level. The Hara, Zordzog, Sharingot, Yuru, Orkhon, Huitni and Hapchung rivers flow through the territory of the province. The maximum air temperature in July is 42.6 Celsius degrees. The minimum temperature in January reaches minus 43.7 Celsius degrees. Average year precipitation is from 310 to 320 millimeters, from which 282 to 290 millimeter or 85 to 90% is in warm seasons. The center of the province, Darkhan city, is the biggest industrial center of Mongolia. The province has well-developed infrastructure services and situated on international road in the direction of Ulaanbaatar to Altınboluk and on the junction of international railway from Ulaanbaatar to Sukhbatar. The advantage of the province is that it has connection to the central energy system with high-speed coaxial cable, digital radio relay line, wireless connecting services, and has a cheap and regular public transportation vehicles compared to other provinces. In addition to it, the living cost of this place is relatively low. The total population is 95,000, from which 80,000 people live in Darkhan city. 64.5% of the total population is the youth, up to 35 years old. There are 24,989 households in the province, from which 67.5% live in public apartment buildings. Administratively, the province is divided into 4 zones of Darkhan, Orkhon, Khongor, and Sharingot, and 24 parks. In total, 19,813 students study in 29 high schools and 4,200 students attend 17 kindergartens of the province. 7,447 students study in 10 state and private universities and colleges of Mongolian University of Science and Technology, University of Agriculture, Technical Institute, Medical College, Darkhan Institute, and etc. And 2,861 students study in Vocational Training and Production Center and Darkhan-Uul Vocational Training Centers, respectively. The first branch of the health organization was established in 1935 in former Darkhan of Siling province. Now, 225 physicians, 524 practitioners, in total 1,097 employees work in the health sector. Today, the central hospital with 365 beds, 10 family clinics, 25 private hospitals and 22 drugstores run their activities in the province. There is a complete system of family clinic service, the first aid medical service. The first foundation of Youth Theatre was laid on 29th of December in 1973 in Darkhan city. Today, the theater has more than 100 employees, from which 60% is art workers. The Museum of Darkhan city was founded on April 22nd in 1970 as a photo gallery with the name Friendship Museum. Today, the museum has been running its activities with the four divisions of history, ethnography, exhibition, and nature. There are more than 1,500 displays of historic items, documents, photos, portraits, carvings, sculptures, embossing, and appliques. The Physical Training and Sport Office of Darkhan-Uul Province was first established in 1966 as Darkhan Association Committee with staff of one head and one instructor. Today, the office has been running its activities with more than 20 employees. The Sport Office collaborates with Ulan-Ude, Chita, and Irkutsk cities of Russian Federation, Ibaraki Province of Japan, the Judo Wrestling Association of the Republic of Korea, National Olympic Academy of Japan, Sports Committee of Istanbul City of Turkey, and other 29 sports associations have been established. Darkhan-Uul province was first established with city status as an industrial base to provide the construction field of Mongolia with raw materials. There are main factories of construction materials as metallurgy plant, bricks, concrete, and various other cement and food productions, meat, vegetable oil processing factories. The biggest factories of Darkhan Thermal Power Plant, Darkhan Metallurgy Plant, Darkhan Heat Company, Iril Cement Company, and others are running their activities. From the total territory of the province, 70.7% or 231.7 thousand hectares of field is agricultural land, from which 81.5% or 188.5 thousand hectares is pasture, 3.9% of 9.1 thousand hectares is grassland, and 13.9% of 33.3 hectares is arable land. Our province is located in the central zone of agricultural land of Mongolia. There are 345.3 thousand heads of livestock. The agriculture production of the province is the important strategic field which provides the population with 90% of meat and meat products, 100% of flour, and 100% of potato and vegetables by 100% own domestic production. Today, more than 90 food processing factories and workshops have been running their activities, and more than 750 employees work in this field.